What is it, Penny?
He's scared of it, honey.
Get it, Penny. Get it, Penny. Get it, Penny. Get it, girl. Get it. Yeah. Get it, girl. Get it, Penny. Get it, Penny.
Penny. Get that. Get it, Tink. Get it, Tink. Come on, get it.
Tinkerbell's camera shy. Get it, Penny.
Get it.
Get it, Penny.
Go get it.
Get it, Penny.
Get it. Oh, here it comes.
Get it, girl.
What's that?
Get it, Penny. What is that, Penny? Get it, Penny. She's like, I'm getting too fat for this.
Stays like at least 3 feet away. What is it, Tink? Is it fun? It looks fun.
Get it, Penny. Get it, Penny. Get it, Penny.
Tink don't want to do it.
Park it on the ground, see if Penny runs over to it. Like, just put it close to the ground. Don't park it.
Tink. Get it, Penny. Look,
Stinky.
Penny can't care anymore.
Get it, Penny. Get it, Penny. Get it, Penny.
What world is that, Penny? Like getting up close to it, you're scared of.
She likes to get close to it, but she don't like it when it tries to get close to her.
I know.
It's pretty funny.
Watch, Mom. Watch, Penny.
She's following the same head. Same time Paul's moving his head.
Been flying a long time. We run out of battery here in a sec.
You're a lot better flying it than you thought you were.
Computer simulation helps.
Get it, Stink.
Think about this, man.